Keep moving!
No!
Stay down, don't stop!
A major military movement is now raising serious attention across the Middle East.
This raises serious concern.
Help, it hurts so much. I can't breathe.
A massive military movement is drawing global attention. Across several strategic bases in the Middle East, heavy military equipment is being deployed at an unusually rapid pace. Satellite imagery, defense reports, and military analysts suggest that large numbers of armored vehicles, including the powerful M1A2 Abrams main battle tank and the Bradley fighting vehicle, are being positioned near key operational zones. The sudden scale of this deployment has sparked intense discussion among geopolitical experts. Why are thousands of armored vehicles being moved now? What role could these forces play if tensions continue to escalate? And what message does this send to Iran and the wider region? To understand the significance of this development, we need to examine both the military capabilities involved and the strategic situation unfolding behind the scenes. Rising tensions in the region. Over the past few years, tensions in the Middle East have remained volatile. Several flashpoints continue to influence regional stability, including disputes over maritime security, drone attacks on military installations, and the growing competition for influence among global powers. Iran remains a central player in this complex geopolitical landscape. Its missile program, regional alliances, and expanding drone capabilities have raised concerns among Western governments and neighboring countries. Meanwhile, the United States continues to maintain a large military presence across the Middle East, including air bases, naval forces, and rapid response units designed to stabilize the region if necessary. When tensions increase, one of the most visible signs of preparation is the movement of heavy armored units. And that is exactly what appears to be happening now. The arrival of the Abrams tank. At the center of the deployment is one of the most formidable tanks ever created, the M1A2 Abrams. Originally introduced in the 1980s and continuously upgraded since then, the Abrams tank has become a symbol of American armored dominance. Weighing more than 60 tons, the Abrams combines advanced armor protection with devastating firepower. Its primary weapon is a 120mm smoothbore cannon, capable of destroying enemy tanks, fortified positions, and armored vehicles at long range. But firepower alone is not what makes the Abrams so effective. The tank also features highly advanced targeting systems, laser rangefinders, and thermal imaging sensors that allow crews to detect enemies in darkness, smoke, or harsh weather conditions. This technology allows Abrams crews to identify and destroy targets before the enemy even realizes they have been spotted. In modern warfare, this advantage can be decisive. Mobility and battlefield control. Despite its massive size, the Abrams tank is surprisingly mobile. Powered by a powerful gas turbine engine, the tank can reach speeds of over 40 miles per hour, allowing armored units to move rapidly across large areas of terrain. This combination of speed, protection, and firepower gives armored brigades the ability to dominate the battlefield. When deployed in large numbers, tanks can break through defensive lines, support infantry advances, and secure strategic positions. Historically, the Abrams tank has proven highly effective in combat operations. During the 1991 Gulf War, U.S. armored units equipped with Abrams tanks overwhelmed Iraqi forces in a matter of days. Similar performance was seen during later operations in Iraq, where the Abrams consistently demonstrated superior survivability and firepower. The role of Bradley fighting vehicles. Supporting these tanks are the Bradley fighting vehicles, another key component of modern armored warfare. Unlike tanks, which focus primarily on direct combat, the Bradley is designed to transport infantry soldiers safely into battle. Each Bradley vehicle can carry several soldiers while also providing significant firepower. It is equipped with a 25mm chain gun, a coaxial machine gun, and TOW anti-tank missiles capable of destroying heavily armored targets. This makes the Bradley an incredibly versatile platform. It can engage enemy vehicles, provide support for infantry troops, and conduct reconnaissance missions. Together, Abrams tanks and Bradley vehicles form a powerful combined arms team. The tanks deliver overwhelming firepower, while Bradleys protect infantry and provide additional anti-armor capability. When these units operate together, they become extremely difficult for opposing forces to stop. Strategic deployment. The positioning of these armored units is not random. Military planners carefully choose locations that allow forces to respond quickly to multiple scenarios. These bases are often located near transportation hubs, airfields, or supply routes that allow heavy equipment to move rapidly across the region. In many cases, armored units are positioned where they can reinforce Allied forces, defend critical infrastructure, or respond to emerging threats. This kind of deployment also provides flexibility. If tensions ease, the equipment can remain in storage or readiness positions. But if the situation deteriorates, these forces can be activated almost immediately. The message behind the movement. Large military deployments often carry both practical and political meaning. On a tactical level, they ensure that forces are prepared to respond if conflict occurs. But on a strategic level, they also send a message. By moving powerful armored units into the region, the United States is demonstrating that it has the capability and readiness to act if necessary. This is often referred to as deterrence. The goal of deterrence is not to start a conflict but to prevent one. When potential adversaries see that powerful military forces are already in position, they may reconsider aggressive actions. Throughout modern history, deterrence has played a crucial role in preventing escalation between major powers.